Alright guys, like I previously mentioned, we're going to be moving at a rapid pace here. We already have the RF on the rack currently. Yes, the wheels already have the lug nuts off because we have some new goodies going on right here. These are another set of our RZ Plus wheels and tires that we have here. So these are going to be ready to go on as soon as we get the suspension on right here. What we have is our FPSpec Long Stroke Ohlins suspension for the ND1 and ND2 right here. These are custom right here for this tailored car we're doing right here. This is our Ultra Grand Touring spec we have right here, but we can build these any way you want. Long stroke, any spring rates you guys wish. If you're going for super high performance track or autocross to super daily driven, all day enjoy comfort, valving, spring rate, everything tailored to you. Along with that, we have our FPSpec front and rear sway bars. These are going to really tie everything together in our custom color combination, so that way everything looks great underneath the car. We got matching yellows. These are Swift springs. All FPSpec come with Swift springs. They also come right here with our FPSpec lower forks. We designed these to go with the Ohlins, so you may have, you know, a fun ND. You may also have a fun S2000 or another vehicle that's like that. We built that to basically go with our entire lineup. To go with these wheels, we are going to go with good old trusty Magards because you got to protect your investment right here. So we're going to go ahead and throw those on right here. We went with the GT model. It's got the Bilsteins on right here. We decided to not go with the Brembo fronts because we already knew we were going to go ahead and replace the brakes with one of our custom Willwood or AP big brake kits here on the front of the ND. So as you guys can see, 0 mile Bilstein suspension right here. Throughout the installation of our suspension and brakes, that does mean we will no longer be needing all the OEM parts that are coming off this car. So if you want to refresh your ND1 with some brand new Bilstein 0 miles from Mazda, we have them right here. They will be for sale on the site. Definitely hit us up in the comments below or info@MiataSpeed.com. We can definitely make that happen for you. This also includes the rotors, the calipers, the pads, anything that you see on the car that we're not replacing will be for sale. 0 miles, the original paint and finish. You know, if you've got a lot of autocross and track time and you just want to make everything look brand new again, now's your chance. Definitely let us know. Also for sale are the wheels and tires that came with the car. Again, like I said, we're going to be using our RZ Plus wheels. We don't need them. 0 mile tires, ready to leave.
Production.
Alright guys, that concludes the instructional portion of how to install our FPSpec Ohlins for the ND Miata. We went through the front, we went through the rear, and so this is a quick view of the finished product. We have our floating top hats up here. Everything else is uniform, direct replacement. No worries there. We can move around to the rear. Same installation, bottom bolt, the two on the top, direct swap with the OEM suspension. From the rear, 2 bolts in the back. Exterior does need to come out to reach the left and the right side, but the reverse is the same when going to reinstall everything in the rear.